Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change hotspot password in your Vivo phone device. Guys, you want to change guys your hotspot password in your Vivo phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change hotspot password in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how to change hotspot password. So guys, now let's see how to change. First of all guys, open your phone setting to change hotspot password. Guys, click on network internet, hotspot setting, Wi-Fi hotspot password. Cut this password and guys new password guys you can take yourself like you can change. So I will change into guys 98765432 and okay. Then guys come back. So you can see guys your hotspot password has changed in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change hotspot password in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.